Online marketing is a great tool to grow your local business. With so many advertising options, many companies overlook the power of online marketing. 97% of consumers search for local businesses online. With the right plan, your local business can easily leverage this power and quickly gain more customers. Today's expert is here with some simple strategies on increasing your local business through online marketing.
Chambers around the country are looking for new ways to raise awareness, increase membership, and help their members do well in the marketplace. The problem is that it is difficult for chamber membership directors and their leadership to know exactly how to leverage assets they already have to entice and to attract new members, and to keep the ones we have from disenrolling, to grow the net membership month after month on a steady and predictable basis. This is because it is time-consuming keeping up with all of the new advances in marketing, especially online, which is how customers find anybody these days, requiring the know-how in this fast-advancing digital age to get new members on a continuous basis and to keep them. And the good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult once they know how to connect with the right teams to help them with the right strategies, saving them time and effort, and in addition, adding to the non-dues revenue. Not connecting with the right teams, and thereby not using the right strategies, could cost our local chambers large portions of their membership, plus thousands in revenue every year. Cool websites are nice, but a chamber needs more than that to attract new members and convince exiting ones to stay and to bring their friends along. We like to give a few specific tips for them to start with, and then discuss details at a later time. So, how does a chamber leverage the power of right connections and grow their membership, and help their members to thrive and be wildly profitable and excel in their field? Tip number 1. Using the right attraction strategies. Although there are many available, a chamber's leadership and marketing must be able to choose the right ones for them. Tip number 2. One-on-one sessions to help members perform better in their field has a high return value and will keep them loyal for a long time to come. Tip number 3. Using assets they already have more effectively and communicate on a regular basis. Announcing updates that help and tips that are valuable to members is a good way to win loyalty. Our expertise is showing local chambers how to get more members, give their members enormous value, and keep the members happy so they stay. Your viewers can visit our site and call us to discuss details. We work with local chambers and associations, helping them help their members grow and succeed in the marketplace, and get all the credit for doing so. This helps them grow their membership as they help their members. Together, we can help members and the organization erase any and all losses of the past. Together, we can do it. We excel in helping local chambers thrive and grow as they help their members grow and succeed, and everybody wins. We're happy to help because what we focus on is helping the local businesses and giving the chamber the credit for doing so, because bringing value to the marketplace together is what it's all about.
And there you have it. A well-planned digital strategy for your local business will not only grow your brand and reach more customers, but also increase profits quicker than you can imagine. It's up to you now. Is it time to give your local business a boost? Our featured expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.